Hi, I'm Maya, an elite tasker on Taskrabbit, and today I'm going to walk you through 4 unskippable steps when painting your space. Today we're going to talk about everything involved in painting your space, so you can decide whether you'd like to DIY your paint project or hire a tasker like me. Step 1. Don't skip the prep. Skipping prep can lead to a result that will need fixing later, and you can end up with more work for yourself in the long run. Before you bring out the paint, starting with a wall free of cracks, holes, or dirt is important. Wipe down the walls with a damp cloth and spackle any holes. After that, lay down a drop cloth and tape your ceiling and baseboards so you can be sure of ending up with clean, straight lines. Step 2, think about supplies. The right tools can make all the difference. Every painter should have their own tools for a quick and excellent paint job. High-quality brushes and rollers will save you time and energy because they reach fuller coverage faster, meaning you won't have to spend time reapplying. Step 3, start with the trim. Use a brush to cut in the edges of the ceiling and trim. You want to cut in at least 2 inches to give plenty of space for your roller. And remember, not using painter's tape is one of the biggest mistakes you can make when it comes to trim, so don't skip it. Step 4, get ready to roll. It's best to generously load up your roller with paint rather than needing to press the wall with your roller to get paint to apply. You're going to want to work your way from top down, which allows you to smooth over any splatters and drips before they dry. Before you go, remember, a fresh coat of paint can bring life to your room, but it can also take up your entire weekend. So if painting doesn't sound like a Sunday fun day, you can always find me and taskers like me on Taskrabbit.